All right, hello Allie J ladies. I am just going to be showing you a quick tutorial here on how to post each day for your Allie J Autumn Capsule Wardrobe Challenge. Okay, so I have my Facebook screen here. I've zoomed it in a little bit so it's easier to see. So what I'm going to be doing is just typing, today is day number 1 of the Allie J Autumn Capsule Wardrobe Challenge. Here is my look. Okay, this is just an example. You can totally use whatever words you want or the words that we pre-sent, copy and paste, super easy, whatever works best for you. Then I'm gonna add my photo. I have it right here. Just gonna throw it in there. Perfect. I've got my picture. I've got my day that I'm doing. And then I'm gonna just kind of add today's look. Just talking a little bit about the outfit is a stripey with my fave teal Hattie Mae. Love this look for work. A little bit about my outfit, what I like about it, what's going on. All right, and then to tag Allie J. So we're just gonna do the @ here. If you ladies didn't know, that's how an easy way to tag people, and you can tag business pages this way too, such as Allie J Boutique. So then you just start typing Allie J, just like you would. You can see, you can still put the space in there. It'll still use your tagging, and you just go down and find Allie J. So I'm just going to type all of it so you can see. Here's all the Allie J's right there. So then if it's highlighted, you can see that it's tagged. Then simply just post, and you're ready to go. The second step is to take this picture right here that you just posted and to send it to the stylist@alliejboutique.com email, so that we can have your pick for the day and know that you did your action points for the day, and then we will be good to go. So you do your 5 looks for Monday through Friday using your 10 pieces. You ladies got this for a chance to win a $300 Allie J gift card with the Autumn Capsule Wardrobe Challenge, and we're super excited. So if you have any questions, just let us know. Okay, thanks ladies.